I'm John Vitamvas. This is my 2005 Mazda RX-8. I'm from the DC region, SCCA, been autocrossing for probably close to 20 years now. This is a car I built over the last couple of years as a progression from my previous street-prepared car, which was a BMW, and I wanted the next challenge. It's got a 2.5 liter MZR engine, which would have come standard in a Mazda 6 or Mazda 3, Ford Fusion, that kind of thing. The whole idea of the car was to take the best chassis that I could find and pair it with an engine that could make a lot of power, be reliable, be inexpensive, be easy to find parts when we're on the road because things break. So that's kind of the basics of the car. It's got a G-Force GSR 4-speed dog box in it, Ford 8.8, independent limited slip in the back. With a Geiken inside. The car's just over $2650 in street mod trim. It makes about 470 to 480 at the wheels on a good day, so it moves pretty well. One of the keys to the car is the engine management, the Haltech Elite 1500. I picked that mostly for the boost control and the traction control, and we knew that managing the power in a rear-wheel drive car in an autocross scenario is pretty important. So that's been key to the car. The chassis is stock, surprisingly. I mean, it's all factory suspension arms and factory geometry. It just has spherical bearings in all of the control arms. It's got a big spline sway bar up front, just one you can buy off the shelf from Mazda Motorsports. And it's just got a stock RX-8 rear bar that's been re-drilled with a couple of extra holes. It's a really simple build. The only other special thing that we did to the chassis was I reached out to Sam Strano to get a set of double adjustable remote reservoir Penske's, and he and I have put a ton of effort into getting those valved and tuned as we've done events this year, and that's just been that's really made the car way more drivable than it was in 2019 when I first ran it. It's insane to drive it. I've spent the year driving with Sam Strano and Shelley Monfort, and they've had tons more experience than I do, and even Sam says he gets out of that car and he just shakes his head because of how well it puts down power, how much power it makes, how fast you can carve through turns, how fast it transitions. It really just does everything well. It can be terrifyingly fast if you're not expecting it, but we're sort of getting used to it at this point.
Support brands that support grassroots motorsports. Get your chemical solutions from CRC Industries. Visit crcindustries.com to learn more.